What's up, guys? Today I'm working on this 2015 f150, and as you can see there is a code with the p1450. Okay, so if you notice that in the bottom is two more trouble codes, but first I'm going to work on the p1450 code, and most likely the other two gonna go away once I fix this problem. Okay, so we're gonna go to the engine compartment. This is the 2.7 engine, so we're gonna remove the engine cover. That one is held in place with two 10mm bolts, one right here, and here is the other one right there. Remove the engine cover. This is the part that is causing this problem. It has one electrical connector and three hoses connected to it. 1, 2, and 3. Right, this is the connector. Then for the hose, I'm gonna pry up with this hook like that. It's out. Next, I'm gonna disconnect this one. Set it to the side. I'm gonna disconnect the last one right here. And at this point you guys can remove the push valve. Just pull it up like that, and this is the part. Got a new one right here. Right, I got it on place. Reconnect the hose. Make sure the clips is all the way in. Reconnect the electrical. I'm gonna reconnect the second hose. Reconnect the last hose. Make sure it's all the way in, then push the clip. And that's all you guys have to do. Remember to clear all the trouble codes and put the engine cover back. Thank you.